If you have a digital community or you manage a digital community, virtual events are a must. While you may have monthly, quarterly, or annual events for that community, doing virtual events such as live streaming a panel or a talk, or a virtual networking event or a virtual summit can really make a difference for that digital community. One, they're already more than likely all over the world or all over the country, and so they're in different geographical locations. Having a virtual event allows people to meet in one central place without having to change their physical location. So that is very helpful to your audience. Second thing is that a virtual event is oftentimes going to have a lower setup cost while also having a higher return on investment than an in-person event. So even if your cadence for in-person event is monthly, if you do bi-weekly virtual events, it can keep your community engaged, keep you top of mind, and give value to your community members, right? Value is one of the key things that they want to get out of it. Another thing you could do is having a Ask Me Anything or a Q&A or a lunch and learn, so that way members could connect with each other, learn from each other, and you could collectively answer questions that people may be asking inside of the chat box a lot or inside of the forum or in your community. So if you found this video helpful with some tips to engage your digital community using virtual events, let me know in the comments, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have further questions or want to dive deeper into how you could use virtual events for your digital community, let's schedule a call. Just click the link down below, gsdsolutionsinc.com/let's talk, and then we'll jump on the line to see how you can use your virtual events to engage and amplify your digital community. Again, I'm Georgie from GSD Solutions, and I hope you found this valuable. I'll see you in the next video.